Embedding communication into daily activities is very important for students with autism. And today I'm going to be talking to you about how to embed communication into the daily activity of laundry. If you're new here, my name is Rose Griffin. I'm a speech language pathologist and a board certified behavior analyst. I am also the founder of ABA Speech. I am an invited presenter, product developer, and mother of 3. So I do a lot of laundry. And today I want to talk to you about how to make that daily living skill of doing laundry a language enriched environment. Depending on how old your student is, there are a lot of different ways that you can get your student involved. If you have a younger child, you can have your child help you with the tasks of laundry. And so things that you can do are you can have your child follow one-step directions. You could say things like, get the basket. And then you have your child go ahead and get the laundry basket. You could also work on receptive ID of things that we use with laundry. So you could say, get the towels. You could say, get the hangers when you're ready to put all the laundry away. That's the best part. So following one-step directions is a really nice way to embed communication into laundry. You can also work on labeling. That's a very language-enriched environment when you're doing laundry. And there are a lot of terms that are very specific to doing laundry. And so you can label those items for your child. You can have your child label those items as well. So one of the items is basket. You could have your child work on labeling basket. If that's a new term for your child, you could just label it for them and enrich their environment and their vocabulary by giving them the title of basket. You could also label different things that you may see when you're doing laundry, like towel. We have a towel. You can also work on labeling actions. So there's a lot of actions that go into laundry. I know that I do a lot of laundry. And so we might work on folding. So maybe your child is younger and maybe they're not able to fold yet. And so you work on just telling them, I'm folding. Mommy or daddy is folding. Or maybe it's time to put things away. So you have the basket full and you're carrying it. And it's also a good idea to narrate what you're doing for your child too. That type of input is important. You know, I am carrying the basket. Okay, now we're gonna put away the clothes. I'm gonna get my hanger and I'm gonna put the shirt on the hanger, and now we're going to hang it up. All of those ways are things that you can do to get your child more involved in doing laundry and creating a language-enriched environment. I have created a PDF download that if you read in the description that you can click right there and it'll come right to your inbox. And it has all of this information for you. So how to work on and examples of one-step directions to work on when you're doing laundry, labeling nouns when you're doing laundry, labeling actions. We talked about folding and washing and drying and knowing that those are the different pieces and parts of daily life. Those are really functional things to work on for your child because that is their daily environment. That is their home environment, putting things away. Those are all things that you can do. I also have little stars. You could keep this right on the fridge and print it out. I have little ones, so I have a lot of different little clips that I put right on the fridge when I get things from school or things that are important so that we can grab them and go. I also have a little drawer in my kitchen that nobody else can see, but it has all these different academic books and reading passages and all the things that my kids are working on. So what's cool about this free PDF that you can get when you go below and click is it says, I helped with laundry today, and it has little stars. So your child can help you with the laundry, following one-step directions, working on labeling, working on saying the words that we talk about with laundry, and then they can check off or they can color in the star as well. If your child is older, there are still really great things you can do with laundry. You can have your child work on folding laundry. That's important. You could have your child work on hanging their laundry and putting it away. That's a really important life skill, kind of building that independence. And so it's really nice to have that printable handy so that you can make doing laundry a communication-enriched environment for your child. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I put up videos often about how to be your autism resource and how to help your child increase their communication skills. Until next time.